Usually the excuses is they don't like the reason. They don't like, there are some any other Filipinos, they don't like the foreigner because usually the age is very long gap.
So they don't like the large cats?
Yeah, yes, usually. But nowadays, as what I have been observed, even the teenagers, they like, or even the 20 more above ages, they like the ages maybe 22 or 25, like that young, for their girlfriend or ever their partners.
That's what the foreigners?
No, the Filipino. The Filipino. But my foreigners, as what I have introduced, he told me you can find out the younger one. He like younger one.